Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel Kids and My Passion. June 5th is celebrated as World Environment Day, and it reminds us to pay respect to the world we live in. So, how can we teach importance of nature and environment to our kids? Here comes two World Environment Day craft activities that your kids are sure to learn and enjoy. Guide your kids through this activity and help them understand how they can preserve the environment. This is a chart which is made by me. In this, you can see the three rules, that is eco friendly tips, 3 R's: reduce, use less of something, reuse, use an item again, recycle, make new item from old. And it's an earth, animals, and kids. First activity. It is based on 3R rules, that is reduce, reuse, recycle. We'll see for different object. First one is water. So for water, reduce, recycle and reuse. The kids mostly they waste the water. So tell them the importance of water. Trees. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Whereas light, reduce, recycle. Plastic, they'll be selecting the option reuse, reduce, recycle. For the cardboard boxes, it is reuse and recycle. So by this activity, kids will be knowing what objects can be reused and what object can be reduced and recycled. They will be aware of the different objects. Now we'll see the second activity. It is based on sorting activity, that's let's recycle. So here I made different bins of different colors, recycling bins. So for plastic, it is red bin, and for glass and metal materials, it is blue bin. Whereas for the cardboard and paper, it is yellow bin. Food waste, veggies, fruit, it is green bin. Now the kids are given different cards. They need to sort according to the bins. For the red bin, that is plastic, toys, car and tub. These all are made with plastic. So they need to match with the red bin. Can, glass jar, tin. These are made with glass and metal. Books, cardboard box, paper gift box. These are made with cardboard and paper. So they need to match with yellow bin. Fruits, bun, apple. These are food waste, veggies and fruits. So they need to match with green bin, that is organic. Through this activity, let's inculcate environment awareness and compassion towards fellow inhabitants of our planet in our children. So let's start to build a better and greener tomorrow. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos.